What's up everyone, my name is Rishi Gupta. Welcome to another calisthenics tutorial, and today I will tell you how to perform Tuck Planche. So let's begin. Tuck Planche is an isometric exercise. Now you might be thinking, what is that? In isometric exercise, you have to keep your body in a certain position for a certain period of time. Unlike push-ups or pull-ups where you have to keep your body moving, in Tuck Planche you have to keep your body static. Tuck Planche is an amazing exercise to build huge amount of strength, especially in your upper body. It engages your core, shoulders and your arms. And if you want to achieve advanced calisthenic feat like full planche, then you have to begin with Tuck Planche. To perform Tuck Planche, you have to follow 4 simple steps. Step 1, you should know how to do a frog stand. Frog stand is a very popular exercise in yoga. To perform frog stand, you just have to place your palms on the ground and then place your knees against your elbows, and then you lift your body. That's how you perform a frog stand. You just have to do it for 30 seconds, total of 30 seconds, while doing a 6 sets of 5 seconds, or you can perform it in 3 sets of 10 seconds. After practicing step 1, you move on to second step, which is doing a frog stand while maintaining your single knee on your elbow. You have to follow the same steps. Place your palms on the ground, place your knees on your elbows, but this time you will place one knee like this in the middle of your arms, and then you perform a frog stand. You just have to do it for 30 seconds. You can perform 6 sets of 5 seconds, or you can perform 3 sets of 10 seconds. After practicing second step, you move on to the third step, which is doing a tuck planche while keeping your single foot on the ground. But before I tell you about the tuck planche, I would like to tell you something important, which is hand placement. While performing a tuck planche, there are 2 ways in which you can place your hand. The first one is like this. You can keep your fingers pointing outwards, or you can keep your fingers pointing inwards. Now what is the difference? When you keep your fingers pointing outwards, your wrist will be under huge stress, so you have to have wrist flexibility. But when you have your fingers pointing inwards, your biceps will be under a lot of stress, and this one is quite hard to maintain. But if you want to have bigger biceps, you should try the second one. Now finally we will perform third step, in which we will try to do tuck planche while keeping our single foot on the ground. To perform that, we will place our palms on the ground and we'll try to lift our body using our shoulders while keeping our single foot on the ground. It would look like this. And then we can switch legs. And finally we will perform Tuck Planche. There are 3 points that you should remember while performing a Tuck Planche. You should maintain a hollow back. And you should try to push your shoulders into the ground as much as possible. And the last point is protract your shoulder blades or protract your scapula. Then only you can perform a tuck planche. Hey guys, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.